What is up everyone? I hope you're doing great and you are all safe. For this video, mag-unbox tayo ng YGT ARGB Fan 1250. So this is one of the cheapest LED cooling fans for your PC in the Philippines. So meron siyang kasamang tatlong LED fans. Also ARGB siya, so keep that in mind. Meron tayong mga motherboards na ARGB supported, like mga gigabyte motherboards yan. Also meron siyang dalawang LED strips, so for 999 pesos yun yung mga components na makuha mo with this YGT ARGB LED fans. Yun, okay. Check naman natin yung mga info sa likod. So, here are the colors or yung mga nasa remote control natin. Makikita natin mamaya. So, meron iba't ibang colors din. So, I think S stands for speed. M, I'm not sure. Let's test that out. And then, there's colors like red, orange, yellow, green. So, that's your main colors. So the specifications, we have the fan speed or 1200 RPM. So medyo mas mababa siya compared sa ibang fans, pero tignan natin yung performance. Noise level, so 26 decibels. Your airflow niya is 55. Rated voltage is 12 volts. So pwede siya sa most of the power supplies natin. I think naka Molex to. So rated current and wire length, so 450 millimeters. So medyo mahaba siya. Fan size natin, of course, it's 120 millimeters. Ang thickness niya is 25 millimeters. Yeah. So may feature din siya no na sound. So I think i-connect mo yan sa iyong motherboard. So here's the configuration. So up to 10 fans yung pwede nating ilagay dito. From the shop, I've bought it with pwede mong bilihin yung fans ng fans lang na kahit hindi yung buong set. So if dami kang fans na gusto ilagay sa iyong case, so you can do that. You can buy as many as you want, pero at to 10 yung kayang i-handle ng isang hub. So opening up the box, you'll be greeted by the 3 YGT fans. Sobrang dami niyang blades. So also you have the remote right there. So ito lang yung laman ng case. Anong box, and then you have your LED strips right here. So these are the 2 LED strips, so they can be mounted using magnets. Meron siyang magnets and meron din siyang 3M adhesive na pwede mong gamitin and mounting it to your case. So we have our remote here na you can use to control your lighting. Meron din tayong mga colors and yan yung mga controls. We have the speed, the mode, and the brightness levels. So we have the hub right here. Dito natin i-connect yung ating mga fans and i-connect natin din to sa power using Molex. As you can see, there's Molex. Also may VDG cables din tayo, or VDG ports. Bali, VDG ports are usually found in ASRock motherboards or mga gigabyte motherboards, pero for the MSI, I think RGB lang siya, hindi siya ARGB na you can use the 3 pins right there. We have the screws right here for mounting the fans. And of course, the main star of the show, yung ating fans na merong 11 fins or 11 fan blades. So let's test this out. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya mag-glow sa dilim and pag nakalagay na siya sa ating case. So here's how it looks like in the dark. So ito yung YGT ARGB fans natin. So let's try changing the colors then using the remote. So as of right na meron tayong red and white colors. And here's the hub. Yan, I'm changing the colors through the remote. So pinipindot ko yung auto, no. So it's the party color. So iba-ibang color siya. So here is another color. And here's another color as well. So kung gusto mong dagdagan ng bling yung iyong PC, so pwede mong mabili tong YGT fans na to for 999 pesos for a set. So that's 3 fans. Nagdagdag kasi ako ng isang fan kaya 4 siya. So here is how it looks like. And also lagay natin sa case. And ito siya pag nilagay na sa case. As you can see, white build ako. So naka white configuration lang yung aking lights. Yan. Ito yung mga fans ko and the LED strip. As you can see, and it complements well into my build. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it and subscribe to my channel if you want more tech stuff. And I'll see you on the next one.
Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend?